Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just hold down power key plus volume down at the same time, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show it once again. Power key, volume down, hold it for like about a second, and that's how you can take screenshot. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album. Albums, screenshots, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.